Boy here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some Floppy Bird. So I actually got a new high score and I decided to make a video about this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this right now, and we got one already. 2, 3 guys. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, so hey, I'm making a video right now.
Oh, sorry, dude.
Okay, guys, so we're playing some Floppy Bird.
What's up?
Okay, yeah, here's my brother. And then there's my cousin, Faith.
Yeah, sup?
She's a tom girl.
Shut up. Shut up, dude.
I mean, she's into boy stuff, so.
Guys, go check out my channel. Link in the description.
Yeah, you
I gotta edit. Oh, guys. So my top was 17 and my score was 12. So we're gonna try to beat 17.
Okay, dude.
She said she got 100.
Yep, it's possible.
No, 100.
I mean, yeah, it is possible though.
It just takes really good skill.
100 pounds, like
I am
$2.
pretty good skills.
No,
oh,
$2.
shit, it's only 5%, guys.
$2.
We only get a couple more minutes, so make it worth the
Yeah.
while.
Either make it worse, it's 200 toys.
Sorry for the unexpected meeting. We were just playing.
Yeah.
And I suddenly.
Yeah, play Batman.
Okay, guys. So, yep,
Good job.
they're just talking like all the time. So.
Bye, guys. I live right back.
Okay.
Hey, so link in the description. So see you guys later. Bye.
Okay, guys. So I'm the only one left. She just left right now. She was actually with me in real life. So, it would be really cool if I had if there was a face cam right now, but I don't really know how. Okay, stop. Be quiet.
Come on, Spencer. Come on. Let's go play.
Okay, so oh guys, I'm so much better at Flappy Bird. Like, look at the tubes; they're like much smaller. The tubes are much smaller, guys. Okay. Okay, this is starting. Why am I not good at this game anymore? I have no idea. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen, guys. I knew that was gonna happen right now.
What's up?
I already knew that you were there. Wait, trying to show
Shut
off?
up. What's
No.
your Ray?
Because you're just doing this.
Not really. I was walking.
Yeah, right. You're just. Okay, guys, she's lying right now.
Okay, bye.
She's lying right now. Probably got like a couple minutes. Oh, wow, 2. Oh, there's no face cam, so that sucks.
Yeah,
Sorry.
it really sucks.
I mean, there is a recorder that does have a face cam, but it takes up like more battery and stuff.
Yeah. So guys, I'll see you next time. And if you look at my channel, I will.
But we don't
give
know
out
where.
free stuff.
But we don't know what your channel is. I don't even know what your channel is either. So how am I supposed to put the link for your channel
You'll see.
if I don't know?
You'll see, dude.
Like, guys, she makes it more confusing.
Ah. Okay. Bye, guys. Again. Come on.
Okay, they're gonna go play right now. They're just gonna play some fight games.
Boy.
Guys, I think I just heard a gunshot. I'm just kidding. Sound like a... No, it actually did sound like a gunshot, kind of. Because it's just like... It literally sounded like that. It was just like... So, oh, you can't really go up. What the heck? Look. See? Oh, it's going up and down, guys. I feel like I'm gonna die at like 9. What the heck? I knew it. I knew that I was gonna die at 9. Holy cow. Cause I always die at 9. I literally always die at 9. So that's probably like my enemy number. Like my enemy number. If you guys understand that. Which is, no, you probably guys don't understand it. But, yep, and, oh, what the, lagging, guys. Oh guys, I'm actually gonna end this video right here. So hope you guys liked it. Make sure to subscribe for more. Comment down below what video I should do next. And it's actually at 1%. Oh gosh. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button. If you guys loved it, all I want you to do is subscribe. If you're new to this channel, make sure to check out all my videos. And if you like them, then like it. If you loved it, then subscribe. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. So Hyperboy out.
Yo!